Bar randers na cas vi quen con do venjava. Man pi me que no mage gong donde que no mage. Anishinaabemowin. Ni gani gatvadan. Kai gani ebe kogne goa wika ngashingi Anishinaabemowin taxi. Benengi jagna shima. Ka kendangi gimanda nema ene pizzi en gigo. Ni shmanda binjaseka residential school ngashigia. When I was growing up, my mom never spoke the language to us, and I know it stems from residential school, but she always told us that you will learn it just by listening. And I did the same thing with my sons. I never spoke the language to them in either. So now technology is so awesome. I use my cell phone and I text my sons in the language, and I ask them, do you understand what I'm saying? And they respond back to me. So I find technology good, and how important language is, and we have to keep pushing our language to the young kids because they are like little sponges. Chukweet kendan agego no nagiri mampi ajak mek ni win some nan so ni so ni win manja gachin no shank go ge penend Anishinaabemowin talk no shank na ha mi go te gani on the get ko 4000